Welcome back, students. In this class we continue coordinate geometry, chapter 7, exercise 7.4, question 7. In the question 7 we have fourth problem given is what you observe. So what we observe means, so triangle, this was the triangle. I'm just writing the previous problem. This is median. A, B and C. Here this is E, F, this is P, Q, and it was here P, Q and R. So this was the triangle and median, everything, and D. So what you observe, the question is given. So we just we have to write the question that and one note is there. First, the point which is common to all the three medians is called centroid. So the point which is common to all the three medians is called centroid. So these points, one more point, this point divides each median in the ratio. So this point divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So after this we'll write the answer for what we observe. So we observe that the points, I'll write this is the answer to this question, the points, and this is just a note. The points P, Q and R coincide at the point so we got in every case 11/3 and 11/3. This is the result. Just we have to write down, we observe the point PQR coincide the point 11/3 and 11/3. This is the result for the fourth sub problem. Now we move on to the question 7, fifth problem, the last problem in this exercise. If A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are the vertices of ABC, find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. Here also we have one note, that is when, just write, when the vertices of a triangle are given, vertices of the triangle is given, and we have to find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. Of the centroid of the triangle. We have to use the formula. Use the formula that is equal to the triangle. Then we got then we get the result, that is coordinates of, just we'll write like this, that's all. Here only we'll write x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, then y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So when vertices is given, we have to find out the coordinates. So now we will move to the problem. So what is the first step here? So we'll write down the triangle here. Triangle, then this is the median, then these two coincides here, then A, B, C here, then we'll just write E here and I here, then this is CX1, Y1, then here x2, y2, then here x3, y3, then this is the D, then this is G. So coordinates of a point G dividing AD is a median in the ratio 2:1. So point G dividing here this one, point G dividing this median AD in the ratio 2:1. Now use the section formula. Section formula equal to m1x2 plus m2x1, m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1, m1 plus m2. So ratio we have m1 as 2 and m2 as 1, 2:1 is given. So now we have to substitute, since coordinates of the point dividing AD, so we have to substitute this. M1 is this and x1 here plus 2 into x2 plus x3. Now we have to take here x2 x3. So now 1 plus 2. Next here 1 y1 plus, then this is divided by 2, then here 2 y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here this is C, here x2 will be x1, then this x1 will be x2 plus x3. Similarly, y1 will be y1 and y2 will be y1, y2 will be here, this one, y2 will be y1, and then y1 will be y2 plus y1, this is y2, then this is 3. So made mistake here, y2 plus y3. So these are the data. Substitute here, 1 plus 2, then 2 cancels, then divide by 2, then cancel this. Now we get x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So now next, now similarly we get the coordinates of the point E also, same thing. So coordinates of the point E. So what will be the same thing? See what will be the ratio, m1 is 2 and m2 equal to 1. Then same thing here. First 1, this write it as 1. Then here x1 will be, here we'll get x2 plus 2 into x1 plus x3 by 2, then 1 plus 2. Similarly, 1 into y2 plus 2 into y1 plus y3 by 2, here 1 plus 2. Cancel this. Again here also we'll get x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, then y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, we finished. Now same thing, coordinates of the point H. This is, I made a mistake here. This is E, this is F, then this is H. E, F and H. We finished finding the coordinates of E, then G. Now we are finding for H. So here also the coordinate H divides BE. So H divides, since H is on BE, in the ratio 2:1. So now we have to find out for H. For this, 1 into H we finished. 1 into x2 this is only for S. So this just refer it for X. We already finished, but what we get, this is for H. Okay, we finished now, but the coordinates for coordinates for E will be same thing, x1, x2, x3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, then y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, coordinates of E. Now we find out we move to the next part of the question, that is, since G and H, since the coordinates G and H are same, the coordinates G and H are same, now I divide CF in the ratio, so I divide CF in the ratio 2:1. So similarly we get same thing, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Same thing, this substitute the values for every case, it is same. So finally hence we have finally coordinates, conclusion is coordinates of centroid of the triangle ABC is x1, every case we get x2, x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So the medians are of the triangle are concurrent. This is the solution every case. So once we get one case, we get here x2, here we write x3 like this. Similarly we have to write like this. Another means x3 first, 1 plus, then x1 plus x2, 2 into divided by 2. So this will be like this, and y3 again, y3 plus, this is 1, again this is 2 into x1 plus x2, so divided by 2, then 1 plus 2, here 1 plus 2. So every case this we have not substituted, I am just showing. 2 cancels, 2 cancel, again we get x1, x2, x3 by 3, then y1, y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the solution for the last problem, that is the fifth sub problem. But this exercise is optional. You may or may not get the problems from this exercise. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.